Hello everyone! Start off by taking some green frosting and then make these curved lines on one side of it. Before this, add little swatches of white frosting to the top to make it look like clouds. Then take a mix of orange and white frosting and then add it to the edges of each of the green lines you've created. Then add little leaves and write your little message. Now for our next thing, we will start off by taking this oval shaped cake. Add pink frosting all around it as such and then flatten it out using any sort of flat object. Now add blue frosting to the bottom and spread it out using a cake spatula as such. Add another shade of pink to the top and then spread this out as well. Then add a shade of lavender, mix it all up, and then you may add a little message in the middle of it. Next, for our cake, start off by adding a layer of cake icing to the top of it as such. Then add a curtain-like shape to the sides of the cake. Do this slowly so that it comes neatly. Then at the top of it in the inner lining, add some pink frosting to it in swirls using this nozzle. Then you may also add a little message in the center. Next, start off by taking a green cake and then add checks to it as such. Use a very thin line but then also use thick lines to it. Also mix in a little bit of yellow to make it look all the more better. Now in the side, add these curtain-like shapes, line it all with white. Next, start off by taking some red frosting, add it in little blobs in the center in a heart shape. Use a cake spatula to make it all spread in the inside as such. Arrange it in a heart shape. After you are done with this, you may add a little message in the middle. You have chosen to write love. Next, start off by adding some pink frosting at the bottom in lines. Use a flat surface in order to spread it out as such. Then at the top, add this little scribe to it and then add some flowers using frosting. You may use pink, purple and a different shade of pink or red. Next, start off by making the shape of a heart and then fill it up with any shade of icing. Now, to make it all the more better and fulfilled, line it with the same icing as well. Now, use the same icing on the sides and make multiple lines out of it. Then, at the base of your cake, add multiple lines and then at the top, around it, add little swirls of white icing. On the sides, add some peach icing and then add green to the sides as well as some orange. Thank you for watching.